Want me to mix up a little more white?
No, I'll open up. Yesterday it just started pouring out by itself.
There you go, pretty good barrier of white underneath there.
Yeah, I wonder if I have too much white.
Oh, it's just going to run off, right?
Oh, I think, no, it's not coming yet, is it? Come on. You got pink on your fingers.
Got everything?
Okay, now it's coming out.
Oh, cool. It's because it's starting to build up pressure from what's in there.
Should be even though. It's not even though. That's the problem again. It's not flowing out even. Yesterday when I did it, I had cells coming out all over the place.
They're ready to come out too.
Yeah, but not. Think I can just put this one on top of that?
Go ahead. Or make a crisscross or something. What we're going to do. Okay, wonder. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I said that's pretty cool. So what I would think, what you might want to do is you might want to pick it from this side because this is, or pick it from one of these ends so it shoots out that way, right? I think.
Yeah.
Or whatever you want to do.
Let's see. I think this side because it's got a little more room to it. So I need to pick it up.
Yeah, right up straight. There you go. Oh, look at the orange get all the way over here. The orange get over there. Let's see, hold on, let's see what's see which way it moves when you turn it. It's going that way. Let's see, we're going to go this way. Starting to flow a little that way, so this counter must lean that way just a little.
Well,
okay,
should I do something with it?
Do your thing, whatever you want to do.
Let me use my catcher.
Here. like one of those geodes, you know, those rocks.
Yeah, huh? It's interesting that it's not mixing or anything there.
It's gonna work. The cells are gonna start popping up shortly.
Am I making you nervous?
No. Oh, it's hot up there.
See what I did there, though?
Yeah, I know.
Alright, so I'm not going to use that.
I would probably go that way to cover that back over or something. It's interesting. Okay, we'll go the other way, or else you're gonna run off all your paint off in there. You're gonna be out of paint. Oh, see, that's cool. It's getting cool better. Oh yeah, it's nice, looking good here too. Keep your eye on where the camera is, so you face it all the time.
Pretty colors.
Mm-hmm. It's gonna be nice once you torch it when you're done.
I'm going to rain exit. I'm going to have
Really?
a rain exit. Yeah. See if you get more cells.
Okay, but
It's just all experiments.
that's pretty neat there, look,
That?
down here.
Yeah. Come on, baby. They say if you put,
I'll put some white there, it'll
yeah,
move along.
it'll move it along.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm?
Yeah, that's the way. Guess it was better with the cup on the bottom. At least you wouldn't have to get your hand holding it with fingerprints on it, right?
Yeah.
Oh wow. Sure. Try to get some of this off the back for you.
Shouldn't get it on the cup. I should let it go on the thing so that it
Want to put a drop of something from the here on it? No.
Yeah, I got it.
You got it. Okay.
Now I probably need new ones or else it's going to stick to
That's
this.
going to stick. It's okay. We'll pull them off when they're dry. Okay. That's pretty interesting.
Put it back on here?
Yeah, I would say.
Okay.
There you go.
Look at that. That'll make a pretty skin.
If it peels off of there.
Yeah, I know. I hope so. Maybe it won't.
Yeah. All that white you put in there, you don't see much white, huh?
No, that's enough white though. I like color better than white anyway. Do you want to do the spritz?
You want me to, or you want to?
Oh, you could do it.
How much did they? But they did up near high, right?
Yeah. There you go. Cool. Huh. Make sure the sides are all done.
Smells like Windex. What's that?
I said I'm making sure the sides are all done.
Yeah, I think they're all done.
Wow,
Yeah,
that came
that's
out pretty. Those are pretty colors. I like those colors. You like those colors?
Make a nice scarf.
Okay. We'll have to see how this comes out with the,
With the old paint.
huh?
With the old paint.
Yeah, and see if it dives
Let's
in.
see what this is. It's just a... So I don't see any bubbles, you know? Okay, let's do this.
Want me to, should I do the thing?
Thing? The thing? Oh, I don't know.
A little bit.
If you want to try it. You think that'll bring out more bubbles in the...
No, I mean
You
just
might
to
want to
dry
try
it
it
a
around
little
here a little bit and see.
bit. Yeah.
See what happens. Lefty, lefty, loosey. Righty, tighty.
Yeah.
Yeah, they come right out fast.
See, there's this one thing that looks like it's
But easy,
indented
don't
there.
put it perfect close. Don't stop whenever you do, you burn a hole in it. It's not indented, it's coming out.
Is it?
It's, I don't think it's indented. I don't know. I don't know.
Well, we'll see how this one comes out. should we mix some paints?
Sure. We're gonna move this over, right? Get your thing set up over there? Yeah.
Yeah, but you can just use the whole put the whole Lazy Susan over there,
Oh.
right?
Okay.
Because we're not gonna.
Okay, let me find a space.
I'll find it.
There you go. This one can go in the other room now, I think?
Yeah, I just didn't know if you wanted to pull the thing off of it or. Okay. I guess with these, what we would end up doing is, well, if this doesn't work,